Updating your tax ID on your Revolut business account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Revolut business account by logging in through the Apple website. Ensure you have your credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select Business Information. In the Settings menu, find and click on Business Information. This section contains all the details related to your business, including your tax ID. Step 4. Update your tax ID. Look for the option to edit your tax ID. Enter the new tax ID information accurately and double-check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your tax ID, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your tax ID on Revolut Business. Keeping your information up to date is essential for smooth financial operations.